Hello everyone, this is Mike with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. And it's been a while since we've done a video, but we had to show this one. Great recipe right here, incredible recipe actually. A different spin on some things, but this is called street corn dip, smoked. So check this one out with us, thank you. Here's a view of all the items needed to make this corn dip, and we'll have the recipe at the very end of how much to use of each item. Let's go ahead and mix this up and put it on the smoker. All right, you're gonna need 2 cans of Southwest corn. All right, next you're gonna need 16 ounces of pepper jack cheese. You will need a half a cup of sour cream added. The original recipe did not call for Rotel, but we love Rotel in almost everything we eat that's a dip. So we added just the original Rotel dip. You can buy it spicier, less, mild, whatever you want to, but we went with just the original Rotel dip. Next, we add 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. This has not been softened because it's going to melt in the smoker. Or if you want to do this in your oven, it would melt there. So next we added the cilantro. My wife bought a bunch of it, and then I just chopped it up. Or you can buy it, pre-chopped up as well. It was probably about a half a cup, maybe a little over a half a cup. So the recipe called for, I think it's Tajin, T-A-J-I-N seasoning. I tried this on my finger, didn't taste the greatest. It does have a lime hint to it. So I just sprinkled out, evenly across the whole thing. I don't know if it really added to it or not, but hey, look what this looks like. We're getting ready to throw this on the smoker. All right, we got this at 275. It's supposed to cook for an hour to hour and a half until this is all just melted. I did not soften the cream cheese. About every 10 minutes, I'll come out to 15 minutes and stir it up. So let's try this out. Let's go. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's open this up, take a look at it. Starting to soften. Just want to mix this up every 10 to 15 minutes until it's a smooth consistency. As far as all right, it's been another 15 minutes. Starting to really melt. Pepper jack. Probably should have cut that in some thinner slices, but it'll work its way out. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes. Man, it's starting to really look good. Great consistency there. I cheated about 15 minutes ago and tried it, and I think it's lacking a little bit of heat as far as spiciness. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper to this. My wife tasted it as well, thought the same thing, so let's add that to it. All right, it's been 1 hour. Man, look at that. Good looking stuff there. Let's go ahead and take this off with our gloves. Take it inside, let it sit, possibly thicken up a little bit. See how it turned out. All right, so let's try this out. We got a Frito scoop. All right, Mike here with Carolina Blue Smoke, barbecue and outdoor cooking. This Mexican street corn dip. Let's try it out. That is so damn good. Woo! That corn chip, that cream cheese is thickening up. A little bit of heat on the very end with the cayenne pepper. You could go even a little hotter if you wanted to. Got rotel, the corn, a little bit of cilantro taste. That may be one of our new go-tos. All right, my beautiful wife is gonna try it, Michelle. She's trying this Mexican street corn dip.
Yeah, sounds good.
That's what we're calling it. That's pretty darn good, ain't it, Michelle? We also have some lime tortilla chips. We're gonna try it on that as well. Michelle's already put her hand in there. Look at that. Oh, broke. It thickens up quick. We're not playing around here. We're going with the big bite. All right, now it's good either way. The scoops are great, but those lime Tostitos chips are just as good with it. So definitely try this out around the holidays, Christmas time coming up, whatever holiday you celebrate, New Year's, Super Bowl. This is a definite go-to down the road. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. The recipe for this is also in the description of this video. Thank you.